math. Welcome to math. We're doing math and math today. It's math. Did I mention, Caleb, it's math? Okay. We're talking about integers. Integers, the number. Okay? It can be negative below 0, which are imaginary numbers, because we can't actually make negative something, or real numbers that are above 0. Okay? One of the easy ways of understanding integers is to plot them on a number line. Hey, there's 0, there's positive 3, over here is negative 3. One thing we talked about is the really cool trick for knowing how to get from a negative number back to 0. For example, okay, if KJ steals 3 marbles from my marble collection, how many marbles does he have to give me to get back to being even, back to 0? Brendan? 3. He gives me 3, okay? So that distance there is plus 3. All right. I'm really hurting, okay? Keegan steals 12,578 marbles from my marble collection, okay? How many marbles does he have to give me back to get back to owing me no marbles? Quinn?
12,578.
12,578.
Yeah.
Okay? That number can be any negative number. To get back to 0, you add that number back. Okay? Whether it's 3 or 12,000. Now, another cool trick. Okay? If Serena takes 3 of my marbles, okay, I have none, but she wants to make me feel better. She feels bad for herself, has some remorse. She wants to make sure that I don't not just even, but now I have 3 more than I used to have. In other words, how do I move from negative 3 to positive 3? Because this is also a trick that'll always work. Moving from negative 3 to positive 3. What do I do? David?
You double the thing.
I double the thing. Yeah. Okay. So I do plus 3 to get back to 0 and plus 3 to get to positive 3. So there's 2 3s. The same thing for if I'm negative 12,000 and I want to get up to 12,000, I would add 12,000 to 0 and then 12,000 more, okay, to get to 12,000. Okay? So I double it. All right? Let's try some different strategies. Okay. So here's a question I might have. Okay. So, I had a credit card. I went to the Circle K and I bought $15 worth of candy on my credit card. So I start at negative 15. Okay? But my birthday comes, okay? And my really cheap grandma gives me $8. What can I buy with $8, Grandma? I don't know. Okay? So negative 15 plus 8. How would I solve this? There are 2 ways I'm thinking of. Okay? I've already begun one way. I put negative 15 here. What can I do this way to figure out negative 15 plus 8? What can I do? Caleb?
You could add like the 0 in the middle, and then negative 15 plus 8 would still be negative 7.
Okay, so you know it's still a negative. Why? Because negative 15 plus 15 gets you to 0, right? So I already know I'm still in the negative. Grandma didn't give me enough money to pay off that credit card debt. Okay? So I'm going to start taking some jumps here. Okay? I might jump by 5. Okay? Negative 15 plus 5. Negative 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. I'm at negative 10. Okay? I'm just counting. I'm still in negative. So I have 8 to add. So 5, 6, 7, 8. There's jumps of 1. So negative 9, negative 8, negative 7. Just like that. So I'm at negative 7. Okay? And maybe I just drew my 0 there, and that's totally fine. It's a very flexible tool. Okay, but, haha, my parents came through and gave me $11 for my birthday. Okay, so I'm at negative 7. I'm adding on 11 more. Okay, negative 7 plus 11. Will I be in the positive? What do you think? Negative 7 plus 11. Will I be in the positive, Aubrey?
Yeah.
Yes, because all I need is 7 to get to 0. 11's bigger than 7, so I know I'll be in the positive, okay? When I'm looking at negative 7 and 11, I'm looking at the distance between those two, okay? I'm going to jump, you know what? I'm going to jump by 7 first, because that gives me back to 0. So there's plus 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have 4 more to jump still. Well, 0 plus 4, pretty easy. So I end up
27.
at 4. Okay? So in the end, I have, well, that's a weird 4. I have $4 left after I've paid off my debt, got my birthday money from grandma, and from my parents, I have $4 left. Okay? I want to show you one more way to model this using counters. Okay? So my question looks like this. Okay? It was negative 10 out in the morning to start. Okay? It went up by, let's say, okay, by 7 degrees. Okay? What is our temperature now? Using counters and our anchor charts right back there if you're lost, I can model this. I'm going to use red for negative and blue for positive. So I will draw 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll group them nice like that so I can easily see them. That's 10, okay? And I'll draw 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? This number line sometimes gets confusing, okay? Modeling with counters is always going to give you the answer. I pick negative color, I pick positive color, and now I do this. I have to even them out, okay? So, I can already see that these two cancel each other out. How I would do this, I could go 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, right? I'm trying to figure out how much I have left over. 1, 1, 1, like that. I have 2 negative left over. It means my answer, there's still 2 negative. So it started at minus 10, went up 7 degrees, I'm still at negative 2. Okay? That's how I figured this out. Okay? I could also cancel it out like this. Okay? There's 5. There's 5. Cancel those out. There's 2. Uh-oh. What happened? What mistake did I make, Quinn? there's 3. I forgot 1. Which makes sense because distance between 10 and 7 is 3. Okay? Glad I checked twice. Okay? So the power of counters like that, Keegan, is that you can cancel out whole big chunks. I see 5 there and 5 there, cancel those out, 2 there and 2 there, cancel those out, and I have 3 negative left over. That's my answer. Okay? So those are 2 ways to solve those integer questions like that. Okay? And that's all for me today. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and please kiss your grandma if you have one. They're wonderful. Thank you for watching.
Bye.